We see the fast-moving features, updates that drop constantly, new products that just work. Behind all that velocity, there's this operational engine designed to withstand a hurricane. So today we're doing a deep dive into that engine. We're decoding the DevOps architecture at IXO, where reliability and trust are non-negotiable.
Absolutely.
Our mission is to unpack this system of reliable momentum and clarify what makes a framework like this succeed. Okay.
What's fascinating, DevOps is less a set of tools and more a strategic discipline. It's this integrated, continuous lifecycle you build, deploy, monitor, fix, and improve. It connects development and operations.
What's the difference between software that works in a demo
Versus software that's battle-tested and resilient every day in the real world.
and that focus on resilience, protecting momentum, seems to be the core business value here,
It means the foundation is resilient by design.
which lets product teams push changes constantly without making everything fragile. If it's so critical, why are so many companies still stuck in firefighting mode?
It requires commitment more than a huge investment. The biggest hurdle is usually mindset.
Mindset shift.
This work is about designing systems to eliminate unpredictable failure, moving from reacting when things break to actively preventing surprises in production. It makes performance measurable, relying on data, not hope.
Speaking of data, let's get into the first pillar, automation. It's often called a time saver, but that misses the point. Automation is a distributed quality control system. It takes the human element out of the risky change deployments.
Things like CI/CD pipelines or standardized environments aren't just faster ways to push code. They're guardrails,
Standardized guardrails.
which allows a team to deploy with confidence every 15 minutes instead of every 15 days, because that automated path has been validated over and over again.
If automation creates that safe path for delivery, what happens after it's delivered? How do we know it's healthy? That brings us to observability.
This visibility from logging, metrics, alerts, and tracing fundamentally changes the team's relationship with production.
How so?
They stop being late-stage responders and become proactive diagnosticians. Tracing is huge here. It's a map of where slowdowns occurred. It turns guesswork into a precise diagnosis.
Surgical.
Exactly.
And this is where that high-trust environment shapes the architecture. Security. It can't be a checklist at the end. How does IXO make security part of the fabric of delivery?
Treat security as code. It eliminates human configuration errors. Access control is audited through the pipeline. Secrets are managed safely by default, and systems are hardened automatically before production. Every deployment is traceable and accountable. For a company built on trust, that is the game.
If we zoom out and connect all these pieces, the impact on the engineering team must be profound.
Absolutely.
When that DevOps backbone is strong, developers can ship value faster without fear. They know the system is probably going to catch an error before a customer ever does.
And that means scaling becomes a planned process, not some emergency reaction. The team spends way less time firefighting and more time building new things. The takeaway isn't just velocity, it's reliable momentum.
So at the end of the day, DevOps is really this disciplined strategy that lets a company's technology grow without becoming fragile. It's confidence that a quick new feature won't accidentally cause a catastrophic failure.
Which brings up a final thought. DevOps isn't just about keeping things online. It's about building systems that can keep evolving. What process in your life or work needs a stronger operational backbone to protect its momentum and adapt to whatever comes next?